What up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are just gonna be finishing up what we started yesterday, which was taking the lenses off the E36 headlights. Pain in the ass to say the least. So really figure out the halos, the wiring for the rear third brake light, and of course a few cosmetic pieces because I just got this front lip in too for the E36. So get to do some body kit stuff. Alright, let's head to the garage. Alright, we're here. And it's actually not a bad day, but last night, as you can see, it snowed outside. Let's see what this front lip looks like. So if you look closely, this part makes it in within here. However, the center pillars cut little indents for them. That is today's project. And in the previous vlog, you saw how difficult it was for us to get these lenses off the housing. Today is going to be putting the headlight back together, getting all the wiring in place, and trying the wiring for ourselves. Again, in retrospect, I'm not the best when it comes to wiring, lighting, or the mechanics to any car. It's all a learning experience on this channel, okay? So we'll learn together. Let's do this. Gucci throwing on some of the gold on his wheels. Took it off, now he's putting it back on.
It's a long story.
Minor mistakes were made, but for good reason and bad at the same time.
Alright, mistakes happen for a reason sometimes. So, long story short, I tried to vinyl wrap my wheels. I ruined them. And instead of getting new wheels for the car, I got wider wheels for the car so I could get the wide body kit.
Jeez, man. What kind of reasoning is that? You're in your wheels, you go ahead and buy a wide body kit. Here at Lost Royalty Garage, you gotta go wide body. Who's next? Who's next? Alright, we actually already glued these on. Now all we have to do is put on the silicone and put the lenses back on.
Location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come.
Screwed up. If you look closely, there's a white little piece of glue there that I dropped and it didn't clean up. I have to take this thing apart and do it again. Oh man. Alright, so while we're waiting for the silicone to dry on the headlights, let's work on the front lip. And also, I actually failed to attach this properly. I'm probably gonna put some silicone on the little grommet parts here. That way it's fully attached. And yeah, let's get the front lip on. Let's work on getting the rear roof spoiler on as well. And then when the headlights are done, we can work on the wiring. quick look, and I basically have to cut this part. There's no way this is fitting with fog lights on the bumper. And also I've kind of marked off where I need to cut for the pillars. here, here, and I'm obviously gonna have to cut this as well. Let's do this. A couple of self tappers on the side, not bad. This is the last piece. I re-drilled all of the screws on the bottom of the side skirt, so this is going nowhere. And because I was missing another set of these, I had to order these off eBay. As you can see, it's a little more purple. This is probably not the same color as the Orient Blue, but it'll have to do. For those wondering, this is the jack hole cover for M3 side skirts. This little hole area is where you're supposed to jack E36s from. Dope. So this close. Nice. Okay guys, don't mind the dirty car. It did snow last night, but that's Calgary for you. It snows overnight and then it all melts away the next day. It's time for this thing. And also this. I am gonna be using a third brake light that is supposed to be used for the tailgate of a truck. Hopefully I don't have to do adjustments on this and it's the right length. And I'm gonna be placing it on the rear roof spoiler, which means it's gonna be located on the top of my rear windshield. Just to show you guys what it looks like. Small little preview. Hey. Clark, are these for us to eat?
Yeah.
Can I? Okay, I'm gonna open them, man.
Yeah.
Clark came with some Japanese goodies. Woo! Yes, is this? Oh, cherry. Cherry and matcha mochi. I had to cut little notches so that the wiring can fit through, and on this side as well. For here though, I'm actually gonna have this wiring come out this tiny little notch, and that is gonna feed through. It's gonna come through, and then it's just gonna fit right in this little crease. I'm looking at it now though. I'm pretty sure I have to extend the wiring because this is not going to be long enough. Remember, this is a third brake light for a truck, so it's supposed to be mounted on the bottom of the tailgate. Where most trucks have this toe socket, that's where this fits. Let's get this thing mounted. After watching a few YouTube tutorials, I was finally able to get the wiring down. And okay, on the camera, it may look like these are flashing. That's not an effect that these halos are supposed to do. I think the connection isn't the strongest, so I'm gonna play around with this, but I'll show you guys what I've done. So once you have the halos connected to this inverter, you have both a black and red cable. I have the red wire connected to the white and the black one connected to the brown wire. What I got the black and red wires attached to are the wires from this inner daylight running light, and I just 3M taped the inverter on the wall here. Alright guys, that's it. I actually haven't wired the third brake light in the back. I'm gonna save that for another day when one of my friends who knows what they're doing can actually help me out. For this, I was actually able to follow a YouTube tutorial on a channel called Fire Films, or Fire Films. Not entirely sure how you pronounce it. Your video was super helpful for me. Other than the different generation E36 headlights, like for some reason, some years of the E36 headlights are so easily removable. They're only attached with clips or screws. This one I had to destroy just to get behind the lens, but we were able to open it, we were able to install the halos, and they are working. So for the wiring, I actually followed Fire Films video exactly, and I have it attached to the daylight running lights. Right now, this is the setup with the key in the ignition. And as you can see, I have a bulb in my hand. This is the daylight running light. You have the option to either keep this on, but I took it off for the classic BMW look where it's purely just the halos that are on. I'll show you the different lighting where I can have the fogs on, the corner lights on, and yeah, just basically show you the new front end with the new front lip and the new halos. Peace. My dudes, I'm gonna end this video. It's been a long day and everyone's left me. I'm here all alone, but what's new? Tomorrow is full FRS car day because this weekend, actually Saturday, is the first official car show of the season for us Albertans, or Calgarians, Canadians, for the people in our city. Just lots of things to do to the FRS just to clean it up. Maintenance stuff, really. Other than that, hopefully you guys learned something from this video. If you guys want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button with the notification button ticked, drop a like, and leave some good vibes in the comments. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Ciao.